Hello, hi, how are you? I'm back again. I have a top knot that isn't even in the top of my hair anymore. I've got a jumper which has, I think, a hole in. Yeah, it's got a hole in. And oh, my bra strap's falling down too. Anyway, I'm here because today I am doing a video which has been requested by a lot of influencers and bloggers and I don't know, just people. Anyway, so today I want to talk about how to post to LikeToKnow.It, which if you use reward style, you will have heard of, but you might not necessarily know how to post. It seems to be a bit of a dark art. So back in the day, LikeToKnow.It was created so that you could shop your Instagram posts. So what you would do is you would be scrolling through and you would like a picture, you would get an email straight to your inbox with those products. You could shop those products. It was easy peasy for the reader. For the blogger, you make a tiny little bit of commission. However, Instagram put a stop to that. So now what you have to do is you have to use the LikeToKnow.It app instead, which is very good. So I've got my phone. I'm so clumsy. I've got my phone and I've got my cheat sheet and I'm going to talk you through how to post to LikeToKnow.It. So first up, you need to go to the reward style app. The first thing you really need to know is that you cannot upload to LikeToKnow.It via LikeToKnow.It. You can only look and shop via LikeToKnow.It. To upload, you have to go to reward style and that will instantly feed in to your LikeToKnow.It app. So then what you do, once you have your edited and ready to post picture, you need to save the item in your reward style favorites folder. So you find your product, you store your link, and then you go to the middle tab of the reward style app and you click enable a new image. So we're gonna do it together. So then you click the image that you're gonna post, which I'm gonna post this rather attractive picture of me. So I enable the image, click the tick, and then what I do is I go to all my favorite products. I find the item which I put in the folder earlier. I click add at the bottom. You can see a tick over it, and then I click the green tick in the corner. Now, if I was also tagging, I don't know, my eye makeup or my jumper, I would add all those items as well, exactly the same. And then in the top corner, you just press next. And then what you do is you write your caption. So for me, I would write something like, currently obsessed with this amazing new cleanser. And I'd try and put in a few keywords. I'd try and put some information in there about the product, maybe the price, maybe why it's so good. I don't know, just some key information mixed in with some keywords, which might help me in the search function. And then I would press enable link, hashtag LikeToKnow.It at LikeToKnow.It. Then where you see the little hashtag icon, click that and it will open up a load of pre-filled in hashtags. You want to select up to 3. I normally do all 3. So for this, I would do it LikeToKnow Beauty, LikeToKnow under 50, because it retails for under £50. And I would do LikeToKnow.It Europe. And then I would go to the @ signal, which is in the middle. And I would do, LikeToKnow.It Europe, because I'm in Europe. And then you want to add in a pre-selected piece of educational information. Download the LikeToKnow.It shopping app to shop this pic. So I've got my hashtags, I've got my apps, I've got my information about the product, and I've also got the information on how to use LikeToKnow.It. Then I want to click next, and we will see the product, we'll see my face. I just click at the very bottom, enable image, and then that's kind of it done. So you could prepare for Instagram now, you could prepare to share it on Snapchat, wherever you want. Personally, I'm just going to click done because we are just posting on the LikeToKnow.It app today. And then I'm gonna go to the LikeToKnow.It app because all this has been all in the reward style app. So then I go to my LikeToKnow.It app, I open it up and whoop, there it is. There's my face. I've uploaded it onto the LikeToKnow.It app. Now I don't have many followers on there, but if anybody searches LikeToKnow.It Beauty, LikeToKnow.It Europe, I'm gonna be there. I'm right there in the hashtag. Somebody could see my face and see that product and think, oh yeah, I've heard about this product. I'm gonna shop it, I'm gonna buy it. So that is how you upload to LikeToKnow.It. It's super easy. The main thing is that you've got to remember to prepare your picture and prepare your link into the folder before you start. And you also have to remember that all of this you do on the reward style app, not LikeToKnow.It. You cannot post directly from LikeToKnow.It. You can only look and shop via LikeToKnow.It. You have to prepare it all and post it all from reward style and it will instantly feed into the LikeToKnow.It app. And I think that part is what is the most confusing. Anyway, I hope that is of help. If you want me to do any more videos on reward style or like to know it or affiliate links or anything like that, please do let me know. I hope this video has been of help. I hope it's not been too complicated to follow. I'm a bit of a rambler and I don't explain myself very well, so I hope I've made sense. I hope it's been of help. If you do have any questions, please do comment below, or please feel free to find me on Instagram. Quite a few people have, and they've been asking me questions and I've left them voice notes on how to do certain things. So if you do need any help, please do find me on there and we can voice note each other and I can hopefully explain a little bit more information. But hopefully you'll got it all from this video. So yeah, that is my video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope it was of help. If you do have any questions, please do let me know and I'll see you again soon. Goodbye.